In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a Splitwise group. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to follow, and I'll also explain a few important details so you understand what's happening as you go. This will help you keep your group organized, especially after trips, shared apartments, or any situation where someone is no longer involved in your shared expenses. First, open Splitwise on your computer or in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the group where you want to remove a person. This might be a trip group, a household group, or any custom group you've created. Click on that group to open it. You should now see the group's main page with the list of expenses and the members on the side. Next, you'll need to go into the group settings. On the group page, look for an option or button labeled Group Settings, or something similar. It's usually near the top of the page or in a menu for that group. Click on it, and then choose Edit Group Settings. This is the area where you can change things like the group name, its image, and importantly, manage who is in the group. Once you're in the Edit Group Settings screen, you'll see a list of all the members in that group. Next to each person's name, there will be a small X icon. This is the control you use to remove that person from the group. Find the person you want to remove and click on the X next to their name. Now, there's a crucial detail to understand. Before someone can actually be removed, they need to have all their expenses cleared. This means they must not owe money to anyone in the group, and no one should owe money to them. If there are outstanding balances, Splitwise may prevent you from removing them until everything is settled. In that case, you'll need to settle up the remaining amounts, either within Splitwise or in real life, and then record the payments so that the person's balance becomes zero. Once their expenses are fully cleared and you click the X, Splitwise will remove that person from the group. After that, they'll no longer appear as a member, and new expenses can't be assigned to them in that group. And that's all you need to do to remove someone from a Splitwise group.